Welcome to Discover AI. Traditional search can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Here we have the houseplans.com search interface, allowing their users to find matching floor plans. Instead of figuring out the right collection of search terms or clicking around with filters, houseplans.com could add Discover AI chat to transform how their users browse their floor plan catalog. Here we have the Discover AI user interface. It starts with leading questions to kick off the conversation. Instead of just returning search results when the user responds, Discover AI first affirms that it understood the request, and then asks more questions to help the user discover the best floor plan. Thanks to Gemini AI, the user can answer multiple questions at the same time. And again, Discover AI confirms it understood with a playful response. And because of device speech-to-text support, I definitely need a single story. A user can even speak their request, making the app even more accessible. Now, Discover AI has enough information to surface high-quality recommendations. It presents the 5 best floor plans tailored to the user's needs. And at the end, it provides more suggestions to continue the conversation to further discover the best floor plan. Now, let's pull back the curtain on how all of this works. These system instructions drive Discover AI's intelligence. It defines the persona for how Gemini should operate, a series of tasks that Gemini should fulfill, and finally, guidelines that reinforce that Gemini uses function calling to generate results instead of relying on any of its internal knowledge. Then there's the function definition itself. The application provides a list of all the search parameters with their descriptions so that Gemini can easily generate correct search arguments. Finally, there's the multi-turn messages to display the search results. After a series of back and forth messages with the user, Gemini sends a function call with the search arguments. Discover AI hits the house plans API with those arguments and passes the results to Gemini. Gemini finishes this multi-turn messaging with content that includes the search results, formatted in the way the system instructions specified. The app then parses the content into paragraphs and item IDs so that it can now display rich content cards for each item in the UI. Discover AI's flexible architecture empowers users to explore a vast array of content, from tech products to fashion trends and beyond. Its potential is limitless, with the ability to integrate any content type accessible via a search API.